Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get e-ticket from trip.com in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any information. Let's get started. Go to trip.com and select your desired service from the available options. For example, I'm selecting cars. Enter your pickup location. After that, set the pickup and drop-off date. Remember to set the pickup and drop-off time also. After that, click on search icon. In next page you will see all the available options along with the vehicle type that you want. From here you can select your proper choice as per your preferences. So select your convenient option and let's move to the next page. After that you will see the selected vehicle. Here you can add promo code if you have one. Besides, you can check important information tab to go through the terms and conditions. Driver details are also available for your reference. After filling up related information properly, click on Book Now and you are good to go.